What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. In today's video, I'm going to mix my subscribers beat. Um, you know, we link up, and this guy just sent me an email trying to confirm with me if this beat is fire. So I'm trying to play it for the first time here on flstudiomobile, and I tried to add some EQ and see how it sounds. So yeah, man, this beat is good, man. You outdid yourself. I like it a lot. Keep 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 making them fire beats. I wish you could send me some melodies, man. You got my email, bro.
CNG, is this yours? CNG, is this yours?
Yeah, as you can hear, this is good and sounding great, but the kick is, I think, is too much. Just a little bit. So let's try to add the EQ, cut the kick, and see how it will sound. And by the way, thank you for 400 subscribers. You guys are the best. Let's go.
Connected to you and the others. My heart was full, like never before. Because we were connected through pain, someone always made us feel better. Because we were connected through pain.